Swedish CV90-120T Ghost is the latest version of the CV90 medium tank, as described by BAE Systems, and is developed on the highly successful Combat Vehicle 90, CV90, infantry fighting vehicle hull. The Ghost features a new compact tank gun and BAE Systems' latest camouflage technology called Adaptive, which is so effective it makes the vehicle invisible to hostile thermal imaging systems, earning it the nickname in the media as Ghost. During the 1990s and early 2000s, there was much deliberation over the future need of a main battle tank in a modern army and that the future requirement would therefore be lightweight fire support vehicles with the firepower of an MBT. However, designers were faced with the principal issues of firepower. They required a 120mm caliber main gun, but with a lower recoil and protection. They could not add the more resilient heavy armor of an MBT. BAE Systems rectified these issues by installing a low-recoil 120mm compact tank gun in a new turret mounted on the CV90 hull. The company then set about over a number of years designing, experimenting and developing alternatives to armor to counter threats, such as active protection systems. But most importantly, the company started developing stealth-type technologies, making the vehicle invisible to the enemy to ensure its survivability as an alternative to traditional heavy armor. Adaptive was developed and patented in Sweden after FMV and the Swedish Defense Materiel Administration commissioned BAE Systems in Örnsköldsvik to produce full-scale technology for land vehicles to avoid detection from thermal sensor systems. After 3 years of challenging research, a project team of 7 people, with expertise in the fields of problem-solving, software, sensors, electronics and design, developed this unique solution. The high-tech camouflage system uses modules, which look like cells in a honeycomb to cover the flanks of an armored vehicle. The modules are made of elements that can be cooled or heated up very quickly as well as controlled individually, allowing different patterns to be created. The vehicle essentially works like a chameleon, able to mimic its surroundings, or copy other objects such as trucks and cars that can be projected onto the panels from a detailed image bank. The vehicle is also able to signal peaceful intent through flashing text messages across its flank or by creating patterns that can easily be recognized by friendly forces. The Ghost has also seen changes in its external appearance to reduce its signature against radar detection. Reminiscent of the F-117, flat sweeping surfaces have been placed over the gunner's sight, glass, the 120mm main gun and mantle. The driver's hatch has also been modified. The vehicle has retained the earlier CV90-120T soft kill active protection system. The CV90-120T Ghost uses a different 120mm smoothbore to the earlier CV90-120T. The Ghost is the Rheinmetall 120 LLRL 47, caliber length 47. The optimized barrel, use of advanced materials, the recoil buffer system and integrated gun cradle result in reduced weight and lower recoil for use in lighter weight fighting vehicles. It is capable of firing all Rheinmetall's 120mm ammunition. Development of the adaptive technology started in 2008. The CV90-120T Ghost was on display for the first time at the UK Defence and Security Equipment International Exhibition in September 2011. Since then, BAE has continued improving the adaptive technology to increase its capabilities. Though still marketed by BAE Systems, there are currently no operators of the CV90-120T Ghost and it remains as demonstrator.